The physicists on the fallen life planet number 51 describe causation for aerodynamic lift in two different and unrelated models. The humans who have an awareness of the two cooperative phenomena express surprise. The operative law of motion and the connected observations of low-pressure areas surrounding fast-moving airfoils do not contradict one another, while they also do not complement one another. As the pioneers of flight in the Tellurian world, the Wright brothers relied on the third law of motion as given from this planet's pioneer of modern science. For every action, there is an equal opposite reaction. The earliest aviators recognized that when semi-vertically angled air wings travel horizontally through air, the wings push a mass of air particles down, and hence, the opposite reaction upon the bottom of the wing provides the upward force of lift. The Wrights rightly reasoned that when lift exceeds the weight of the aircraft, flight begins. All things considered for the then technological state of the humans, this model operates on fairly straightforward mechanics and engineering. However, as their wind tunnel technology advanced, the human scientists observed the other phenomenon associated with aerodynamic lift inside an atmosphere. An area of low pressure atop an airfoil always accompanies lift, leading this planet's physicist to wonder if the relief of air pressure above the wings causes the higher pressure on the bottom side of the wings to push upward upon the wing to either contribute to or exclusively cause aerodynamic lift. The humans have realized with much fascination that the air pressure which accompanies aerodynamic lift conforms perfectly to a principle discovered and detailed by a human named Bernoulli. From the standpoint of my team, this makes for a rather amusing scientific story. Bernoulli's principle does not pertain to gases, but handles pressure in hydrodynamics. These humans physicists cannot figure out why the air rightly behaves as a perfect fluid in aerodynamics. While Newton's third law perfectly explains causation in lift, the humans cannot ignore the accompanying low pressure atop air wings, but likewise cannot explain this integrated reality observed in their aerodynamics. Hence, for the avionics and autosport communities in this world, the open question remains: why does the gas of the air behave exactly like a fluid medium in aerodynamic lift? When we consider the causes and seats of these humans' ignorance to the quite plain reality of fluidic fabric, we must attribute the confusion to sinister forces who lurk below the space-time sea. Perhaps Zophos believes that the humans would recognize the physical literality of his abyss underneath the space-time waters as given from their sacred texts.